How do I calculate the 1250 hours for FMLA eligibility? Imagine you're planning to take family or medical leave and wonder if you qualify. The key number to remember is 1250 hours. So, how do you figure out if you've hit that mark? Let's break it down together. To determine if you're eligible for Family and Medical Leave Act leave, you need to look at the hours you've actually worked for your employer in the past year. This isn't about paid time off or unpaid leave, just the hours you spent actively working. Think of it like counting only the time you were on the clock doing your job. You include all the regular hours you worked, plus any overtime. For example, if you usually work 40 hours a week and sometimes do extra hours, those extra hours count too. But if you took vacation days, sick leave, or unpaid time off, those hours don't count toward the 1250. The calculation looks back over the 12 months before you plan to start your leave. So, if you are thinking of taking leave starting next month, you count your hours from the previous year, starting from that date. For part-time workers, the 1250 hours roughly equal working about 24 hours a week over a year. If you work 20 hours a week, you might not reach the 1250 hours unless you work extra hours or overtime. Employers need to keep accurate records of your hours to verify your eligibility. For example, if you work 25 hours each week for a full year, that totals about 1,300 hours, which exceeds the 1250-hour requirement. But if you took several months of unpaid leave or had extended time off, your total hours might fall below 1250. This calculation helps ensure only employees with a solid work history qualify for Family and Medical Leave Act protections. It makes sure leave is given to those actively engaged in their jobs. To sum up, find the 12 months before your leave starts, add up all the hours you worked, including overtime, and exclude any time you were on leave or not working. If your total reaches at least 1250 hours, and you meet other requirements like working for a covered employer and having worked there for at least a year, you are eligible for Family and Medical Leave Act leave. Remember, keeping good records of your hours is always a smart move to support your claim.